So today we're at PermaPine, based just out of Taupō, New Zealand, and we're New Zealand's largest manufacturer of posts and poles. The site is about 100 acres. In a typical day, we'll peel between 10 and 11,000 metres. We steam around 9 to 11,000 cube per month, and we treat the same. We have 20 Volvo loaders. We have 3 Volvo excavators. The guys like the Volvos, they're comfortable to ride in, the boom suspension is really good. It's a big site and there's a lot of kilometres being travelled. We're here looking at the Volvo L120 loader, which is a fully electric loader. PermaPine has embarked on a journey with the electric loader to really help support what we're doing around sustainability and the environment. New Zealand is well known for its outdoor environment, and we've got a great country, and we're here to ensure we're protecting the environment. Business is always striving to improve themselves, and sustainability is actually something we're really working on. Part of a journey, it's not something you do, it's something you think about ongoing. We have put a biomass boiler in. Now we burn our residues, and to produce the steam we need to dry and fixate our product. It's just something we're continually working on. EECA also had come on board and supported us for charging and transformers and cabling, etc. This Volvo JL120 is the first fully electric loader with log forks in New Zealand, and I believe it's the first electric loader that is in a 24/7 operation. This is a real trial for PermaPine, and we'll be obviously looking at the cost benefit, the reliability and just general performance, and we see it as a real partnership with Volvo. Yes, we put the infrastructure in place with the help of EECA to expand our fleet if we want to in the future. And the steamers, they stop and start depending on what we're running through there. So it works well because we have time to charge it in that 24/7 operation. I've been pleasantly surprised. It got passed around, it went into our log yard, it went over to the treatment plant, it did a bit of operations in the yard. And the general feeling was it was really positive. It basically doesn't get wheel slippage, got a lot of torque. When you're moving around site, it's very effortless. It doesn't matter what the ground conditions are like, it handles it no problem. It's responsive, it's got good lift, it's very quick when you back and change direction. The visibility's good, the comfort's good, and the application where we're using it, that's working really well. So yes, they're really enjoying it.